RGTI stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Currently looking at Rigetti Computing stock. I'm looking to double down on this for sure. I'm not just saying this in a way where I'm just going to double down randomly, no, but definitely looking to buy. As beforehand, I had this swing idea that was here way back then, right, when it was sitting at $8, hoping to take it to 16. Now you might think, yo, you're crazy, right? This is like just 2 months ago, and it's called out on my YouTube channel, and I have so many previous receipts with Rigetti in my Discord server as well, right? And with this in mind, I got 2 long predictions here, opportunities that I managed to double down on, and currently I'm looking for the third one, but it's tough because I'm not seeing the shift happening. So what's this gonna mean? Only if I see some sort of double break like this, I'm gonna buy. And if there is no sort of double break, I'm not buying. Very simple. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye.